Namaskar, my dear friends. We will see today how we can download LTSpice in our computer and install. So LTSpice, as I have already told you, that it is one of the best software for your circuit simulations and design. Okay. So what you can do is either you can click this particular link analog.com. So it will directly take you to this particular page where you can see download for Windows and download for Mac OS, both are available. Okay. So let me click this page. You can see everything is available. Now suppose if you don't know how to go into, what you can do is you can go ahead and directly type down in your address bar analog.com. okay, so once you put analog.com, this particular page will come from Analog Devices, and you can just search in the search bar LTSpice. Okay, so once you search, you can click that. You can see it is fast, free and unlimited, and it is very easy to download and install. You just have to like download for your particular computer. Whether it is Mac OS, then you have to download this one. If it is Windows based, then you have to download this one. Okay, so this is the latest version that is already available. Okay, and it was updated on December 12th, so it is the new one. Once we click here, we are going to get this bar going. Okay, so I have already downloaded, so it is going to give you like one, so it is getting downloaded again. Okay, that's the reason. Now this is asking for like some thank you for downloading LTSpice, and it is asking to like fill out some of the feedback forms. So if you want, you can give some of the things. So I want it for, let's say, professional or personal or hobby, so I'll put it hobby. Which best which best describe your LTSpice experience level. So I am kind of advanced in this. Have you previously designed or purchased analog devices components? So I'll just put it no. And are you using a LTSpice to simulate a specific IC? Let me just put LT1763. Okay, or if you want, you can just keep it blank, no problem. And when using your LTSpice, accomplishing your expected design outcome requires so very high effort or something like that. Whatever you want, you can put it. Okay, submit. This is anyway not needed, so you can skip this. Okay, all right, our download is ready. So what we can do is we can open our a file. So let's go and see in the file. So it is already downloaded. I have downloaded 2 times. Okay, so any one of the file you can click. Okay, so once you click, double click, it gives us a a understanding that welcome to the LTSpice setup wizard. You have to click next. Again, there is a license agreement acceptance, so you have to accept this particular button, radio button. So once you do that, then click next. Once it is there, then what you have to do is, this is nothing, it is just giving you the history and everything. So you put next. It is telling everybody, all users, or only for me, HP. So I'll just put it everybody, so that anybody who uses my computer can be able to use this. And you have to just select next. Once it does next, then what I'll do is I'll have to browse the location where it is going to install my LTSpice file, or otherwise let it be in the default folder. So it is going to install in your a C drive, and if you put next, then it will start installing. So since I have already installed it, so I am not going to install it again. Okay, so this is fine. Once you click next, it will start installing and it will be over. Okay, so thank you, hope you have understood how to install this. And this is very very powerful. You have getting started tutorials, you have essential tutorials, you have AC and noise analysis tutorials. Everything is there in this particular website. If you go directly, let me go and show it to you. So you can go ahead and show it, see it, like whatever you want, you can do this, getting started or this thing. If you have to have some tips and something like that, if you want to know some shortcuts, you can keyboard shortcuts you can open. So it will open and show it to you, like what are the keyboards option, shortcuts. Okay, so like delete, cut or something like that, this is there. So zoom or something like that is there. What are the prefix case sensitivities there? Okay, so capital T or small t is for tera, giga, mega. Okay, so this is how it is very powerful tool. Okay, still you have some doubt or something like that, you can put your comments in the comment box, and I shall be able to guide you to install this powerful software LTSpice for your utilization. So I recommend you to always use LTSpice for your circuit simulations, and whatever the things that you want to do, like whether it is AC analysis or DC analysis, this is one of the best tool that I have ever come in my career. Thank you.